Hello children, in this video we'll solve exercise 5.3 from your chapter number 5, that is complex numbers and quadratic equations. In this 10 sums are there. Let's solve these sums. First sum is solve x square plus 3 equal to 0. Let's write it as x square plus 0 into x because the term with the x is missing. So we are writing it as 0 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 3. Now using quadratic formula to find the roots, putting values of a, b, c in this formula, we get minus 0 plus minus square root 0 square minus 4 into 1 into 3 upon 2 into 1, which on solving we get 0 plus minus 0 square is 0 minus 12, that is minus 12. Minus 12 square root is 2 root 3 because minus is in square root, so we'll use iota, and after this we can cancel this 2, so we get plus minus root 3 iota as your answer. Second question we have, solve 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. On comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c equal to 1. By using formula to find roots, by putting these values of a, b, c in this formula, we get minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square minus 4a into c by 2a, which on solving we get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8 is minus 7 upon 4, that is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 4, which is your required answer. Third question is solve x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Again, comparing with the standard quadratic equation, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Using formula to find roots and putting these values of a, b, c in this formula, we get x equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4ac over 2a, which on solving we get minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 36 minus 27 upon 2, which in turn is equal to minus 3 plus minus 27 square root is 3 root 3, minus is inside square root, so we use iota upon 2, which is your required answer. Fourth question is solve minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. On comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1, c equal to minus 2. Putting these values in the formula to find roots, we get x equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. On solving we get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 7 upon 2 into minus 1 minus 2, which gives us minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota upon minus 2, which is your required answer. Fifth question is solve x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. On comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. Putting in the formula to find roots, we get x equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 5 upon 2a. On solving, we get minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 20, that is minus 11 by 2, which gives us minus 3 plus minus root 11 into iota by 2, which is your required answer. Sixth question is solve x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2. Using formula to find roots, putting these values of a, b, c in this, we get x equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Upon solving, we get 1 plus minus 1 minus 8 minus 7 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 2, which is your required answer. Seventh question is root 2 x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. Again, comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1, c equal to root 2. Putting these values a, b, c in the formula to find roots, we get x equal to minus b, b is 1, plus minus square root b square minus 4a into c over 2a. On solving, we get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 7 by 2 root 2. Again solving, this is minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota over 2 root 2, which is your required answer. Eighth question is solve root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. On comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus root 2 and c is equal to 3 root 3. And putting these values of a, b, c in the formula to get roots, we get x equal to minus of b plus minus b square minus 4a into c upon 2a. On solving, we get root 2 plus minus 2 minus 36, that is minus 34 over 2 root 3, which on solving we get root 2 plus minus root 34 iota over 2 root 3, which is your required answer. Ninth question is x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. In this, we are rewriting this. We are multiplying by root 2 on both sides. So we can rewrite this as root 2x square plus root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now on comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to root 2 and c is equal to 1. Now putting these values of a, b, c in the formula to find roots, we get x equal to minus of b, that is root 2, plus minus square root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Upon solving, we get minus root 2 plus minus root 2 square is 2 minus 4 root 2 upon 2 root 2. To match your answer with the answer given at the back of your book, what we have done, minus root 2 plus minus 2 is taken common from this. So taken 2 common, we get 1 minus 2 root 2. This 2 we are taking out of this square root. So we'll come up with this root 2 out here. and inside there is 1 minus 2 root 2 and denominator as it is 2 root 2. Also in this step we have taken minus common out of this just to match your answer with the book. So this is minus root 2 plus root 2 minus taken common. So we get here 2 root 2 minus 1. Solving this, minus root 2 plus root 2 as it is, because minus was there in square root, so we are using iota for that, and this 2 root 2 minus 1 as it is. After this we can cancel this root 2 from the numerator and denominator, so we are left with the answer minus 1 plus minus iota into square root of 2 root 2 minus 1 upon 2, which is your required answer. Tenth question is solve x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Again rewriting this, that is multiplying with root 2 on both sides, we get root 2x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. On comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1 and c equal to root 2. Putting these values of a, b, c in the formula to find roots, we get x equal to minus b, b is 1, plus minus square root of b square minus 4a into c upon 2a. Upon solving we get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 7 over 2 root 2, which further we can write as minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 2 root, which is your required answer.